Hi everyone, here's a quick video of how I am now using Cloud Desktop with Anthropic MCP and Agent.ai tools to test and debug my agents and then have Claude generate the actual detailed documentation so I can then take that documentation, the prompts, the tool calling and everything and just translate it and put it into Agent.ai as an agent that is now hardened. I can share it with the rest of the world. And so here's a simple example of a disk profile agent that I just had Claude Desktop create for me. And so you can see the output that is there. Now, all I'm going to tell it is, can you please take this agent and generate the documentation I need to build this in Agent.ai. And that's it. And what it is now going to do is going to tell me um, what that agent can look like. It's going to give me a name for the agent, a title. It's got a little description that I can put into my agent AI output. Agent, then it goes through, you can see it goes through step by step. It says user input, collect primary input, name and company, store it in these variables. And this is the instructions that I'll give the person, enter the name and company of the person you want to analyze. Then after that, it's going to do a web search. This is the query using this subject and this company, LinkedIn profile, return 5 results, store it in this thing. Uh, then extract LinkedIn URL, store it in this thing, and then get the LinkedIn profile analysis, additional background research, and then get web search with the leadership. And then this is a detailed prompt that it generated, which basically tells me uh, that I can just now take and copy and paste. And so I spent a lot of time uh, in Agent AI building the right prompts and going back to ChatGPT or Anthropic to say, can you tweak this prompt? But now I can just do it right here. And the other part about this is if I don't like something about the particular prompt, I can actually run it right here and say, here's a profile, here's some information, run this prompt. I can execute individual steps of my agent in Cloud Desktop outside of Agent AI. And once I'm all fine, then I can just have it generate the documentation and then format the report. And so it basically says how to format it. And then if I want some visualization, final report, save to PDF, it basically tells it how to do it. Um, and it gives me a lot more in terms of sample prompts, what these output variables are. Everything is now written and documented that I could generate as a cookbook and share with people. It even goes and talks about privacy and ethical considerations. Hopefully, you can start seeing how powerful Claude Desktop with Anthropic MCP calling Agent AI tools is going to be key for builders who want to test, debug, and then once they're done, generate the documentation so that you can go put it into Agent AI as an agent. Thank you.